Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable spike deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 14-inch wreath ring, and this is actually a silver wreath ring. You can definitely go with the darker color, or you can spray paint it whatever color you choose. I have this adorable sign for the center. I have deco mesh, lavender, blue, and white, Chanel stems, scissors or a rotary cutter, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So I have cut my deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And what I'm going to do, now you can roll it into a cute little curl like that. I use that method sometimes. But this specific wreath, since it is a rocket, I think rolling it at a diagonal will look really, really cute. So I'm going to roll my mesh at a diagonal like that. Take the white, roll it at a diagonal. And take my blue, roll it at a diagonal. And I'm layering the pieces one on top of the other so that all colors are visible. I'm going to scrunch, take my stem, which I have cut in half, and I'm going to twist it around the center of my bundle. Just like that. You can kind of flare it out and adjust it just like that. And what I'm going to do is alternate the color order. If you choose to use the same color order every time, you can definitely do so. It's completely up to you. I feel like changing the colors, it really makes it look more colorful and fun. Scrunch it in the center. Take my stem and twist it a couple of times. Just like that. And I prefer to make all of my bundles before I start placing it on the ring, just because I feel like that makes the wreath making process go by a little bit faster. But if you want to do it another way, you can definitely do so. It's completely up to you. But I'm going to get all of my bundles placed, and then we will start adding it to our wreath ring. So I have all of my bundles. They look so cute and precious. Now we're going to start placing it on our wreath ring. So there are several methods you can use to place your bundles. I will link in the description box down below all the different videos I have showing you the different methods so that you can choose which method works best for you. For this specific wreath, I think I'm going to go with using these center two rings, but I'm going to alternate outer, inner, all the way around the wreath. Again, there are so many different methods you can use, so just go with whatever you prefer. I use all of them for different reasons, different wreaths, so just have fun with it. Twisting my bundle around the wreath and tuck away the stem. For the next bundle, I'm going in the inner ring. Twist, twist, twist. And then I'm just going to tuck it away. And I'm also alternating which color I have on top. The first bundle had blue on top, the second white, so my next bundle will have lavender on top. And I just like to do this because I feel like it makes it more fun and colorful. Alright, I'm just twisting, and again, I'm just alternating back and forth. Okay, twist and tuck it away. This is what it's looking like so far. It's so cute and precious. And the more bundles you have placed, the more you'll be able to kind of adjust and maneuver your mesh. So as you can see, I'm alternating. And I'm just going to continue alternating all the way around the wreath. And the amount of bundles you have in each section, that's completely up to you. You can always start with less and then add more if you feel like you need to do so. Or if you want to start off with a nice big thick poofy wreath, you can do that as well. Whatever you prefer. Alright, so let's get more bundles placed and finish up the wreath. So this is what it's looking like. So cute and poofy. This is actually only 4 bundles in each of my 6 sections. Again, I usually go with 5 or 6, but you can go with more, less, whatever you prefer. So cute and poofy already. The amount of mesh you add to each bundle and the number of bundles you have in each section is going to determine how much mesh you need. So I always say, have extra mesh on hand just in case. So you could definitely leave the wreath like this. It's so cute, precious, adorable, and poofy already. I definitely leave wreaths like this sometimes, but I do have this adorable sign, so we're going to go ahead and add it to the center. So I'm going to use a full stem for the bottom and one for the top. Sometimes if I have a longer sign, I will use 2 stems and twist them together. The sign is pretty narrow, so I don't think I need to do that. Now we're just going to hot glue them in place. Alright, so I'm going to snugly place my sign in the center. And then once I have it where I'd like for it to be, I'm going to push the mesh aside and twist the stem around the actual wreath ring a few times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then replace your mesh. So I'm going to repeat this step for all 4 stems. Alright, I have all of my stems attached. Now I'm just kind of fluffing and adjusting my mesh to make sure I don't have any gaps or spaces. It looks so cute and precious. Again, this is 4 bundles in each of my 6 sections and 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. You can go with more or less, whatever you prefer. You can add in some additional embellishments. You can add in ribbon, bows, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the style to fit your theme.